Good morning, students. We are going to see about the hydroponic. It's a new topic. So, hydroponic is nothing but hydro means water, and some technique we are going to use to grow our plants without using soil. Actually, you know very well for growing of plants, we need air, water, soil, sunlight. So, these are all the basic things which are required for growing of plants, you know very well. Okay, and if you see in this hydroponic method, different here we will not use the soil actually. Okay, so instead of soil we will grow the plants in a separate container, that is called as hydroponic. And if you see this hydroponic, it is used for growing the plants without soil, so we no need soil, it is not be required. So we are going to use nutritional solution. Nutritional solution it is required for the hydroponic. Clear? And what will happen here, we are going to not going to grow the plants on the soil, and so we are going to use the container. Okay, so we are going to use the glass or metal container for growing the plants. Clear, children? And this method was being demonstrated by German botanist Julius von Schaap in 1980. So he was the first person to introduce about this hydroponic. And it is an economical production. We can say we don't want any landscape area. So in a particular, by using some construction work alone, a simple construction work alone we can go for, and we can grow this plants. Yeah. And any seasonal plants, it is possible for growing in this hydroponic process. For example, plants like cucumber or tomato or brinjal, lady's finger, these are all the plants which are being grown in this hydroponic methods. Clear? And what will happen, what is the advantage of this means, I'll show the diagram. Before that, I'll explain what is the benefit of this. The water will be directly reaching the root part, so the water will not be wasted. Okay, the space, we don't want too much of space, and water, we don't want more water, and the water what we are pouring for the plants, it will be recycled. Okay, so water consumption will be very less only here. Clear, children? This is the equipments we can say for the hydroponic. And if you see, a normal glass container is being taken, in which they will be pouring the solution, that is water will be dropped here with the nutritional content, and here air pump will be there, it will be pumped, and what will happen, the water will be mixed well, and here nutritional pump will be there through which nutrition will be added. And what will happen, the water will be sucked here by using the motor, it will be sucked and it will be sprinkled, one more layer it is there. What will happen through the sprinkler, actually sprinkler irrigation, you know very well, like that, what will happen, the plant will be grown here with a hole will be made it, and plant will be grown there. What will happen, the water will be splashed everywhere and evenly distributed. And next what will happen, through this the water will be reaching here, and down also the water will be there, above also the water will be thrown, and the excess water again it will start dropping down. So here water consumption will be saved, and nutritional also it is being required, and it will be recycled. So this is a simple technique, in a small area it can be constructed. Clear, children? Next we are going to say about aquaponic. So hydroponic, you know very well how far it has been carried over. After hydroponic, you have aeroponic actually. Only timer will be there to pump the water. Timing wise, at a regular interval of time, that will be processed. Okay, that is aeroponic. And aquaponic is different, little bit. Here we are going to use fishes. Okay, in this process, in this technology, we are going to use the fishes. So that's why since aeroponic is also like a hydroponic method, we are not concentrating in that. So but even though you have to concentrate. Aquaponic, if you see here, it is a combination of conventional aquarium and with the hydroponic process. Can you understand? Here what will happen means, the fishes are taken in a container. So if you see this, this is called aquaponic. So aqua means aquarium, that is growing of fishes. So this tub, if you see, this is for the growing of fishes. So mota will be there. What will happen? What are all the nutrients we are adding for the fishes, it will be consumed by the fishes and it drops the wastage. So along with the water and along with the nutrition what we have thrown for the fishes, it will be mixed in the water. So through the pump, it starts spreading. One more layer will be there. Through this pump, what will happen? The water will be taken over and it will be reaching the top layer. Okay, where the plants are growing. So here if you see the nutritional solution as well as the water will be recycled here. Again the excess water will be dropped here for the fishes. So the waste water, the debris of plants will be brought up down and those things are being taken by the fishes as a food, organic food. So this is also one of the cyclic process and easiest method of growing certain plants. And what are the plants we can grow in this aquaponic means plants like green leaves, vegetables, cheese, cabbage, lettuce, basil, coriander, spinach, vegetables like tomato, capsicum, chilies, and bell peppers, tomato, sweet potatoes, cauliflower, even broccoli, everything are possible in this aquaponic culture. Clear, children? Now, learn and write. Explain in detail about the hydroponic method. So, hydroponic method you are going to explain in detail with the neat diagram. And write a detailed note on the aquaponic. About the aquaponic you should explain and you should draw the diagram. Clear, children? Thank you.